Why does cleaning instantly calm some people, while just seeing a messy room makes others feel stressed? Here's the twist. Both reactions come from the same part of the brain, and the real reason has nothing to do with being neat or lazy. Loving to organize isn't about cleanliness, it's about control. When life feels unpredictable, overwhelming, or emotionally noisy, your brain desperately looks for something it can fix. Something clear, something finished, something that obeys rules. So it turns to the physical world. That's why after a stressful day, you suddenly feel the urge to reorganize a drawer, line up books, wipe a counter that was perfectly fine an hour ago. It's not random. It's your brain trying to regain stability. And science backs this up. Every small completed task, making your bed, folding clothes, clearing a surface, triggers a dopamine release. That tiny good job signal your brain loves. At the same time, a clean environment lowers cortisol, your stress hormone. That light, calm feeling after cleaning? That's not motivation, that's biology. But here's where it gets deeper. Your subconscious treats your surroundings as a safety signal. Clutter quietly tells your brain, something is unfinished, something is wrong. Most people barely notice that whisper, but people who feel things intensely, that whisper becomes mental noise. So they don't organize to look impressive, they organize to feel safe, to feel quiet inside. For others, organizing becomes self-expression. Their home turns into a canvas, books placed with intention, plants arranged for balance, spaces designed to feel a certain way. It's art, just not on paper. And for many people, the repetitive rhythm of sorting, wiping, or arranging becomes a form of meditation. No sitting still, no deep breathing, just movement that grounds the mind. And here's the emotional part most people don't talk about. Organizing is often about letting go. Every item you release, old clothes, broken gadgets, unused gifts, is a quiet message to yourself. I don't need this version of me anymore. That's why decluttering can feel heavy, why it can bring unexpected emotion, even tears. You're not cleaning a room. You're editing your inner story. Your surroundings reflect your mental state. A tidy space whispers, you're capable. A chaotic one whispers, you're overwhelmed. So cleaning becomes a way to change that internal conversation. You change the outside to change the inside. Because organizing isn't really about objects. It's about choosing. This matters. This stays. This can go. Every shelf reflects how you want to feel. Clear, calm, intentional. So next time you feel better after organizing, don't dismiss it. That's self-care happening in real time. Mind, body, and emotions lining up. Peace isn't something you stumble upon. It's something you create, one small task at a time. Are you like this too? Tell me, what does organizing do for you? And if you enjoy simple psychology explained deeply, don't forget to subscribe.